Today I'm going to go ahead and swap out these rear shocks. I'm going to go ahead and keep OEM style, not brand, but I'm not lowering it or lifting it. So I just went ahead and went with what I was able to get at my local parts store. So you can see this one is leaking. It's all wet right around the seal there and just crusty and everything. So you'll need a 14 millimeter. Going to go ahead and drop that bolt out right there. And then inside of the rear hatch here, you're going to go ahead and pop off the little cover and then remove this rubber dust cover. And then you'll have two 14s right here as well. Once we go ahead and get those removed, then we'll go ahead and drop that, that shock down, strut rather. And then we're just going to swap it out with the new one and reinstall it just the way that it was. So pretty simple. So I wasn't able to get the clearance I needed just by taking out the bottom strut bolt. I did go ahead and remove the lower control arm bolt as well. And then that way I can pull this down as that comes falling. And then it basically just slid enough to where I could then get the clearance into the fender and bring it up and out. So now I'm just going to reinstall it the way that it came in.